and hit
notification button. Yeah, man, that is it, man. Don't be to the most I give thanks to like body down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. True? Yeah, man, as we go along, we keep on blazing the fire. Or enjoy the movie, leave a comment in the end. Yeah, man, body down to the ground.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing. Jamaican Studios. Love is real. That take me heart out of my chest and give to you. Give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue. Never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true. Love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart's singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love.
Ali, girl, I try to call you all on, girl. Guess what happened?
Ali, you hear me, girl?
Yeah, me, I hear you. What happened?
Girl, me just see fire with woman.
You just see what?
Me just see a man with woman.
Girl, stop talking foolish. Nobody with the pranking thing now. We are not looking pretty again, you know.
Girl, me just see a man with woman. Seriously.
Eh? What's why you see him?
Call the man. Girl, for your man right now. Call the man.
That's why me I call him phone and get him.
Girl, call him. I'm call him right now. Me just ask us to knock down your road.
Girl, and he gone far this morning, you know, can you say have some people for care we a man do for this morning.
Girl, man, a wicked liar and thief. Call your man, girl.
Alright, listen to me. Listen to me. You listen to me. You see if I hear somebody at prison, put up some money if you come bail me because I got pies him. Just wait till he reach in here. Wait. Put up money for bail me. You hear, friend? Me go try call him again. You hear? Watch me and him, man. Know what you say. Me soon call him back. Me go call him. Yeah. That's why me I call the phone and I get him. When me call the phone and I get him 2 more times I you here. Not even 2. 1 more time I you here. 1 more time. Let me not get the phone.
Call to that number.
Alright, just watch me how you there.
Tell us, say, you know, do not left not really help me, you know, they will come in for you one at a time, you know.
Me there, come now.
Oh, go on.
Me there.
I got ginger.
I look tired though.
Yeah, man. I'm not taking my charter like that again.
I go be a man to me. I don't know where
We
to
go
go.
far down some gully, some trench. I don't know tell you. Finally over and we get money that good. What we are doing?
Yeah, so like, you look thirsty and tired, man. I want some juice.
Yeah, man. We'll drink something, man. For a man with the phone.
Alright, I'm gonna get some juice. Go give.
Let's see if they are calling.
Yeah, me I call the phone and you not answer.
Yeah, but no, man, but you see, part them camera go.
Mm-hmm.
No signal.
You mean by no signal?
No, I not no signal there.
And do you say good enough some gully?
Yeah, man.
So.
Down in some
May I get the
deep
juice
hole.
out?
We go in some deep hole. No, we couldn't get no service. We know. But I see the one for my skull. Let me think of something down here. Doesn't see my oil come back down.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go on down here?
Nothing really go on down here.
Oh.
I just me a come here.
Yeah. Hello? Where's that going now? Yo, the baby alright? As long as the baby alright, everything is good, man. So I go on to school now. Nah, man, never go to school. One boy push him down. Yo, that's what I'm telling you now. I just want to make some money so I can move my pitney to a better school. Something like a private school. Good. Yeah, man. Are you there? Yeah, man. So, as long as she alright know what she said, she drop on what she like. And nothing. But when I go to school, I see everything go on. So, another day.
Oh, yeah, I do know that girl.
So bad. We come to school and now. Take me the one I put them neck. What that go on? That not go.
Oh, yeah, I do know.
Girl, I make one mistake, girl.
What kind of mistake?
Girl, Iman, when you think of fire, no fire, girl, but Iman still don't know, girl, Iman and fire could have passed the twin brother.
You mean by no fire?
Me say, girl, they could have passed the twin, you can't. Girl, if you see man, you think of your man right now, two and you
Jesus Christ, look.
But anyway, still.
Where I don't know where you come from.
girl, me say, I come home, I come from the television, I see two of them.
Yeah, anyway, tomorrow deal with that. Tomorrow deal with that.
No man, look how that drinks look hot out. You see how long me I tell her to drink your drinks? Me I put some ice
Put
in
some
it.
ice still.
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, I can't chat though. You can't come by phone a bit. Wait, dash my drinks.
No, I don't dash my drinks, man.
How are you doing?
Me I put the ice in the look where I want to fly Japan night and me know you skipped it and tan, so me just dash you where I cook and
Oh, yes, I dash you away.
No! But if you fly Japan, they want me cake and give you for drink.
No man, but you look at the dash way just like yes, the dash way butterfly jumping and the dash away.
No, I think it just means that dash me intentionally, man. We fly drop in a cup, so I know you're not going to want to use a cup there again, so I'm just dash away everything.
Ah.
Yeah. May I get some more on here, man?
I don't know all that here, man.
Alright then.
We drink some water and I want to.
Oh God. Girl. Nah, man, talk me not here. That water on the sun.
Girl, look how you could kill a man.
Look how you could have made me kill me, man.
Me girl. Me? Sure, you could have killed man, I love you man. Girl, a mistake. Girl, no, if you told it man, you could have passed a twin brother.
Girl,
In the image.
you must have to come bail me.
No, girl, I'm not coming here to show. But you're too jealous, man. Too jealous, man.
If I know I'm too jealous, why you tell me? You love see too much. I see you see too much.
Friend.
Yeah, you see, if you see me man a cheat, don't tell me, call me, I go kill him and then you go end up at prison, so don't tell me.
Love you, but it look alike. Girl, if you see man, you think of your man.
Ciao.
I don't know what they look
I
alike.
mean, what's the people favorite people, you know, so I should jump to conclusion, but why?
Girl, I'm sorry,
And
still
tell
girl.
her, we go through too much in our life, so in the me take
Yeah.
one man, or him going this way, I take up a next woman.
You know, I don't want him hurting. That's why
Him a brother,
I
bad
swear
man.
I see him, girl. But
So
you
if
know,
I see my
no
man a cheat,
problem.
like a beak, like to not tell me. Don't tell me. Do not tell me.
That's right, kid.
Exactly.
But you know, I love you, though, my friend. You know me.
I know, actually, my friend now. Look,
I swear him, girl, to come down and cross and put him. Swear him.
boy, this funny.
Jesus.
How you reach out so quick?
Girl, I God send me that was close enough. That was close. You know, so that was close.
Why?
1 more minute and a dead body come out and white sheet up everything.
I know, so me still on this, I wait for him to drink, you know. Me I like for him to drink it. Because I want, so when him have grab it up with white frat and come up.
Oh, girl, you know, say wicked. You're wicked.
Brother, I tell you never know why not for me. You look, you come down and reach in time.
Oh,
we
God,
are country.
thank-
So I pray for you now, you don't want to...
You know, look at that little something, girl. Because in your hat, see like a chip in and out, you know, teeth in like something go.
So you go JPS, so come for me.
I go think, so I go teeth in like brown because if you don't pay your feet, just imagine.
Brother, yeah, you know,
Yeah,
some
yeah.
boyfriend want to pay feel like, but if I tell me how he go JPS.
Go solar. Your face of foolish to say that.
No, it's
teeth.
solar now. If you don't walk, then it's alright. See, come on,
See?
baby.
But girl, can you voltage low, can teeth in current. And if you hook up straight, then still when you
Sometimes
pay
we
bill
don't
a
know.
month time.
And sometimes home, I don't know what to eat.
Oh,
yes,
yes. Who are going to celebrate tonight?
Oh,
Celebrate
okay,
you,
good.
kill your man.
You have clothes
No, girl, but you know, say.
Oh, you have clothes
Grab
on there now?
something.
Yeah, but
Grab
that's it now.
something.
You have
Yeah.
clothes on there. Come on, girl.
I come here and I like 1 or 2 things until the movie.
None of the clothes on my wash go dry, right?
Some of them probably dry, but we still have some clothes here.
But now I'm gonna wet clothes, you know. But anyway, I wet pants from clothes to dry. Because I don't like when I wash away. You can't wash every 3 months. Not because me I will pack clothes, you can't
Then
wash 3
still a
months.
wash. Or else you carry them and go to a place go wash them. Or you make
You
somebody
see,
come
I
wash
tell me
them.
loyalty, you know how much money I wash my clothes them.
So who tap if I make them wash them?
If
Me don't stop you know.
If me
I'll
no,
do when they come and go wash them, me come out.
well, if you continue on this a trend yet, you never can tell you go on. Then go wash clothes that thing they wash all the balls.
Then still, I done business, then still I wash. No, I'm here.
Rasta! Ras!
In the room then, how are? Where you are?
I chat, me a chat time, man. Want to take care of the road. Call me up.
Try make sure. Fire! Somebody come fit for your charter them.
That's good.
Somebody come to go and charter you.
Oh.
That little Marga brown girl out there, so. Me not tell her I don't want to see her nowhere near you. Me not like how she have a fire, you know.
Listen to me. She's just a client. I also offer service to people. Look at chart and look at this, look at that.
Yeah, me know,
But
but...
me not get the red plate yet.
But that little brown girl every day, every time he come and want
In
rasta,
pay
rasta.
money though. Long as I pay money, good.
You sure? So your money in the pay?
And money I take. And when they don't have money, we trust them. We see when a rainy day come, it's my
Trust
time.
them one.
I trust them charters my time. Because I know say money add up back in the land run.
She up on the veranda there.
Oh, tap that load, man.
Me no business. More and she hear me because she know me don't like
Listen
her.
me.
Every time she come here, I call Rasta. Me alone for call Rasta.
I am a provider. And if I don't provide, you're the maga down. So you're big fat and thick. Now feel sad just hear you eat. It take a lot of things to get your feed, right?
Just tell her, say, don't come back and go call no Rasta, yeah? Me don't like her.
I told you, me I do. Plus me I look at something so. Give me some time. Look at space then. So come.
So you don't put on shirt and say I go there?
Well, I clothes and dirty.
Then they on the line, you find
I
one.
am not putting on a shirt that's wet.
It's all well hot.
Listen me I say. Me not put on a shirt that's wet.
Wow.
Because if you're a doctor, you can find the first red sense.
One. See her.
Where you want to go now?
Oh, she told me.
Check to them clothes and then dry. If it rain, come back down, we don't want to wet up. Check out some good like bar fan. Here's the back side. Careful of touching there now. You know, some woman not trust you already now. This man, I'm telling me I drop you somewhere for a piece of money, you know. She's skeptic. Know what you say? I don't like that girl there, you know.
You have something else for you better than money. Don't worry about that.
Let me
And you
answer.
should have paid me, you know, but...
Let me answer. Where you going? You're good, man. Make you feel it, man. Know yourself, man. But you know me stay already.
No, I don't feel like you don't stop. No, see a long time like you.
Well, every one of them take a boat, right? So you need to go find your truth. Because you want home, right? It's
So
a
you
thing.
ain't thick.
I think, but I don't feel thick. I feel your home.
That's why you know, say, you're not going to tell you, man.
Me no matter.
Like, try
No.
out like car, they can just tell him, see, I can't see you go now.
Hear me say. It's all good and dandy, but I'm not a cheater like Randy. You know that out. My brother know if I even that take the opportunity. Tear your skin long time and dash across the road.
I cheat, yeah, cheat.
Listen now.
If she not good for you, you not hurt her, you know. What she not do, no hurt her, you know. Anybody know that?
No, I'm really starting on a sheet problem, you know, and me choose not to. You know what I mean? And a sheet them gonna cheat. I just mean just say, yo, as a youth, you know, must be a loyal soldier. You know what I mean? We have to lead by example and follow example that have been set, you know?
Your father never tell us you love you have more than one woman.
No,
Never hear that yet.
you never tell me that. I want the money have at a time, and when you left one, you get the next one. You know what I mean? We don't come from a wild family, you know, we don't come from a wild breed. You know?
You don't come from a wild breed either, but a long time I like you. You always a carry me. I'm just saying,
Before me have my woman, I didn't like you, but I did walk foot. And you never like me then time there. So,
I lie at them, just did shy me late one tell
well,
them.
it's too late for that right now. Right now, it's too late for that.
Can't go on.
Before you go again,
You're phone is someone.
we'll let you have nice sound. How yourself, man? There will be time and opportunity for you to get a next car, man. So, I'm Chris car doing so look at the market.
You don't want no Chris car, you don't want.
Me no car. We know you love car. You're full of chat though, you should have done an artist. You can't fool like. Like, but from Virgin Papa, I would have said, now you're certain if you're uncertain.
You don't say it easy though.
Well, 26 this morning, I'm
So you're
17.
sure?
I'm sure, man, I'm sure. Remember? I'm sure. Before, if you want anything differently from that yard, I'd rather go over the bridge.
Bridge and you have me.
Go back.
Eh?
No,
But it's not easy.
no, no string
Some man
attached.
would have glad to give this an opportunity here. You turn it down.
Go give it to some man then.
So I give one.
Yeah,
Let's go right around the corner, man. Right around the corner. Or anywhere you go, you can't get me.
no, I go back to my yard. I just me and Japan for to pick up my mother-in-law.
You sure we can spend one week together, man?
Listen me. One thing is determined though. Now go out though.
That's nice. You? Let me see you. I always a turn me down, you know. I know see you like me, you know. You're just afraid that
Yeah, no, afraid of nobody man. Me and your friend man.
You're afraid of that woman, man.
No man, me and
You're
your
afraid of her.
friend.
If you're never afraid of her, you would have pull over and give me a long time.
Oh, pull over and give it here. Right here so. You take it. Take it right here so on the roadside.
Yeah.
And I've got to give you some things man. I know say that no money still no, but I'm looking for a friend for a long time. No, go on, go.
Alright.
Later.
Alia, setting myself up here. Jesus. Can't take him, I can't live so. They're not living, I'm not living. Same friend can help me out and she has good advice to give me or something. Put the phone, Alia. How long to hear from you, girl? I get tired. Let me try her back. Because it's busy or gonna work or something. Say phone, girl. It's our Father God. Let me try her again.
What going, girl?
Yeah, girl, look how long me I call you. So girl, I want to talk to you. You don't know my friend. Your friend stressed out and depressed out. Nothing on going for your friend, girl. Nothing on going. What you mean by?
They are hungry, not now going, no banana pantry, no pear, no nothing, not child. This in your child work and can't get more than this something there.
So where the other then, girl?
All long.
Girl, no banana on the pantry, no pear, nothing on the banana tree. Talk about talk to you. See that empty. Not a thing upon the head, dry trash, girl. Nothing at all now going. Hungry up here, kill your friend.
I'm not getting nothing. I try to work and I can't get no work all the time. I apply my language. I'm not getting my call.
So all the day I just come down here if nothing ever go on for me, you know. I'm there for your yard, you know.
Sugar, but all that stuff.
What about that the man there? That the man they still a talk?
I don't have no man. I don't look at that man. They talk how long. Girl, nothing on going. That's true, girl. You always got my back. I got your back for true, girl.
That's the man who stopped that. That man there is more and more than went back. I'm talking about the man that I'm saying. I'm trying to work and start up myself and fix up my
Alright, girl. You sure? But you sure you want me come, girl? Because I don't really want to come stress you and come depend on you and burn you. Because I know you have your own things that way I deal with. You sure? Alright, Ali, alright, my baby. Me and call you. Me call you before me leave. And thank you so much, girl. You have no idea. Me have enough to talk, but we have a lot of catching up to do. Alright, my baby.
let you know me and leave home. Alright?
Alright, just call me when I reach near so we can come meet you.
Alright, my baby.
Thank you, God. My friend come through for me. Thank you, God. Yeah.
Hello? Babe. Yeah, me have a look flavor me gonna need. You know me best in the country? Yeah, chosen. She kinda run a sound like a problem and she need a place to stay. And like what 2 bed in her room, me wonder if she can come stay with it. No man, she alone. No problem, not going night. A nice girl, you know that too. And she willing to look work. So you say she can stay? Alright, thanks. Alright then, alright. I'm gonna tell her if she can come then. Yeah, she called me earlier, man. I tell her say when time she reach here, she call me. But me want to call her first before she reach here and come here and see her and probably in a heat. Yeah, alright, thanks, babe. Bye.
Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free.
You know.
Ali! Come in, man. The grill open.
Never saw happy?
So that one.
Never saw
So
me back there. Sit right there, so.
I was doctor.
Ali! Girl!
Lord Jesus, wait, me come.
Sass, girl, come on, she was gonna see you. Come give me a
Come here,
look what I'm gonna see you.
girl.
There, look what your friend get mad, girl. Stressed out for you with me. Sass, girl.
I don't know where you see that up so long. I'm mad at the yourself so fine.
Girl, life hard.
Life might hard, yes, but probably don't it like easier to find a little job or so. If you understand me,
I'm gonna stop applying for jobs, girl. And when I get jobs easy, when I get a phone call, I go one interview, I never get the job, or one call, me get
so I'm to supermarket and so off.
I apply for all that, but down here, I can't come, I never know I can go. You know, girl, willing for work.
Okay, well, yeah, so kind of like a bit easier. So probably if you just go on night on, I bartending work, they have bartending work, they are dash out.
Really, come.
And at 18,000 a week, so. You're slim and look nice, see my girl. Look at your pretty.
Girl, it's never gonna go pop my teeth. Even though girl, mother though. But anyways, girl, I have something to talk to you about.
What I know?
Girl, I have something to tell you, girl. I have something to tell you. Okay, I know you probably don't want to hear this, but remember a little man who used to talk to him, tell us to stop talking to him, may I ask him what I did? Me still a talk. Me and him still a talk. Me know you don't want to hear that.
No, I don't want to hear that, but that's none of my business.
But girl, me know none of your business, but the part of your business is that I bring him come with me.
You bring him away?
I bring him come here and him did start talk back and you know, we kinda try work things out. Cause you know him have dirty ways about him, but you know him willing to work like me and we are try to find a job. Him send out enough applications and stuff too. So just I kind of feel beg if you just see with him and you know eat enough and them something them humble. Him not fussy. He can work with man and you know me a friend and you know it go.
Hear me I say now. I don't have no problem with you staying here. But me did don't call my boyfriend until my boyfriend said my best friend come down. We never planned for your boyfriend come down. But your best friend still now, so I now go put him out there. So I have to go talk to my boyfriend about this again.
Alright babe, please talk to him because you know girl I got through a rough patch and you know so many things different already.
I could have me, you know.
True.
I could have me.
And you always check for me and I check for you. Oh God, how far we come from Ali and I saw 4.
We were
Or-
living.
They don't know. Oh God, Mr. Gally.
So where man.
I want to introduce it to you.
And by the way, where luggage them? I don't say we don't know. One day
Girl, me didn't want to talk to you first. You know what I respect me to talk to my girl first. So.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man. Yeah.
Come in.
Yeah.
Just a try to get
Come
a
on,
place
what you need,
together.
Alia? Bring his stuff down.
Hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Ali,
Nice meeting you.
this is Houdini, my boyfriend.
My name?
Houdini.
What
Yes.
you call me, Togo?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause that name them hear me. I first me hear the Woody.
This
You
is
kinda
her name.
different. You're different.
Alright, so remember, I one bed. I one bed, 2 bed in a room. Son can stay on one, while my boyfriend stay on one. Maybe I'll put up on a curtain or something.
Yeah.
To drop
Privacy
her.
and yeah.
For privacy. But
Man, that's alright, but thank you, alright?
Big,
Thank you very much.
you need
Thank
you
you.
need to look forward. Are your
No, man,
girlfriend?
that's in our making.
Yeah, because your girlfriend needs to take care of her.
Yeah, I will put out a lot of applications.
Yeah.
You know, we're good, man, and you take care of me differently, even though me we talk, Ali, man. Man.
Get your fun.
Girl, I'm if I tell you, girl, anyways.
They look so surprised. Alright, your room this up.
Which part is
You can't go. Your room right here, so.
Yeah. Go there, sir?
Yeah, go straight and then turn right.
Okay, honey, thank you. May I freshen up and we'll catch up, alright?
Alright.
Alright, mama.
And tell me, say, one person that come, that's your girlfriend. Say don't have to leave. No, you call back and tell me, say, I know she alone come. As she and her man come. And you don't explain to me, say, we're going to respond to them. For she. So, we're going to respond to singular or plural. The man come with money.
I mean, you know, but if him and their money, they would come so far. And it look like she interested to go look work, and the man interested to go look work. So maybe we are gonna responsible for them for a little time, and then after that, then get them job and they're responsible to themselves. You just see, man. Sometimes you have to do good in your life.
Every time me I do good. At times you start do good, you know.
So look what me I do.
Most time you go look work. Because
Yeah,
you find too much time and too much friend. So me I go work on my mind. The three of you.
No, I'm not so me never.
Is there? I mean, is there a problem? I mean, you don't stand out like a man like him upset me, I don't know what's going on.
No man, he ain't good man. I said it's this. He chewing just off my fire road and he's tired. And he want to be there and relax man. I say it's but later me talk to him man. Everything good but no one say.
Okay, come and just want to know say everything alright and we there and we live alright and you know thing.
Girl, you know what's everything
Yeah.
right. You can't go meet him if you want to meet him. You can't knock on the door.
That
And
would be
introduce
nice.
yourself.
That would be nice. Hello. Give me again.
Fire.
Fire. barbecue. Hi.
Oh.
I'm Chosen. I'm Ali's friend.
I know your man. What man? You good?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
man.
It's a pleasure meeting you. I've heard a lot of nice things about
Me
you.
say your man come. When there, you know money?
No, not exactly, but
Just
we'll work.
behave now.
No, just ask a question, man. Cause 3 times and thing work, you know. But she don't know still. But as long as you know there still, don't know good still. But she don't understand. But me do it 3 times, baby. You're good
Thank you
though.
so much, yes.
Long time I don't see you. You put on all weight too.
Oh, Lord. Oh,
Alright.
Lord. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, you're good girl. My
Alright, baby, no.
casa, your casa.
You casa, you casa. Alright.
Later.
Nice meeting you.
Alright.
Just relax, girl. Everything alright.
Okay. I take your word for it. Come know you always got my back.
Always.
Alright, Mama. Thank you and thank you. God bless you. I feel you couldn't be here.
You know.
Like you love you though.
That's why I'm behave so.
Yeah, girl. See your man overprotective of you and stuff.
Funny moment he hear about man, things can get jiggy.
Jesus Christ. But I want to see you. I want to see you like when I get along and all in loving.
Yeah.
Yes, man. We'll keep it that way. Girl, me are going to go freshen up and stuff. So we chat.
Alright.
Alright, take it.
Yes, I.
Big up.
Oh yeah, this is string boyfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm at a place still, you know. My woman go on Black Star so it's a place to rent and I go and maintain it still, is it?
Yeah, man. I heard it.
We get it with 2 bed, 1 room. So she tell me that one, our girlfriend a come. I say, right, but since in carrying boyfriend come, the 2 of us can sleep on the bed in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but you don't know how you go do. No sling, no, what you call it now? No ramping shop activity when the woman then,
No, man.
right? And if you know, and if you not do it in the bathroom, do not do it on the bowl because the bowl will rock out and we not want to pay for that. When you can do it in the shower, when you drop on the pan, when you want, you know, insurance are there. So the kid in there, we don't survive it. So, the thing you do, you go to grill, you don't want to on the grill, you don't want to do.
Yeah.
But anyway, Greenfield Hotel, you have whole heap of bush there. Like, me have some people that's come through, them take you like banana tree for themselves. Well, I'm from banana tree, and shape of banana tree, they do it all over.
Yeah.
So we don't matter about that.
Oh, we good.
But you see, if a banana tree have banana on it, you don't go on one day. You see what I don't shoot yet? Because I don't want one banana drop on the head. Yeah? Alright. So, we're not good though. So,
Yeah, man,
some of the time, my woman go up on the road, say, so I have a whole house for myself.
Yeah.
One thing I say, just keep it clean. My woman not too clean, so we want to come that difference.
Woman really help her, man.
Yeah, man, because
Help her.
really and truly, yeah. And if your woman wash your clothes, she can feel free. What's my mind to? Don't worry about it.
Some man, your lady wash your thing. You see?
You look like me and I go plan piece of line, you know. Come on, a joke, you can't take a joke. A joke,
I
man.
don't know, sir.
I am also joke. Daddy, calm down, man. Why I don't want your woman wash my clothes? And must joke me around.
Oh.
You don't want my woman wash your clothes?
No.
Oh. I should have bleach out
Fear
all of them.
woman, I fear woman.
Oh. Yeah, man. So, me live jovial, man. Yeah, man. So, anyway, Pastor and I, Pastor, go up and we go do some work and things. So, one day, we go make them put on a pot. You know what I mean? They cook some rice and peas. You know what I mean? And things, cause, yeah. So, what kind of work you would like? No. What kind of work you want to do?
That time there, things will go on for.
Listen me. If a soldier, you're good. Police, my police is my friend. And what you want on police?
Yeah, man, get a police. They apply when I tell them.
Joke me like, man.
Hello?
My family, my police. You're more here if you're against police.
Yeah,
Me and some of them-
Back, alright?
Me and some of the police them good, me and some of them don't good. So me and everybody can good. That is it. Yeah, man. So, but as I say, sky's the limit though.
Yeah.
Sky's the limit. So,
I know for that thing out there for
what the thing they can do, man? You know, if you turn police, you can turn thief,
No, but that I the option more.
Oh, you're a thief. You're not a thief.
No, kind of thief.
Mr. Thief, you said that's an option.
No, police, we are talking about.
Oh, you're talking about police. What about police? You know police?
Well, you have good police out there for the law. You understand?
I'm from you sing the song, you know, be good cop and bad cop. Cop a rape woman and cop a broke shop. Yeah, man, I'm ready. You know that song there?
No?
Oh, wow. Yeah, man. I'm going to call and sing, hey, Mr. Babylon, boy.
Well, you see me going and force everything by law. I don't take no money from nobody, no.
Oh, yeah, this is straight off of the book.
Straight off of the book.
I said to me, Prime Minister, so when you go in and power, man, and wife.
Oh, you might do it off of the book?
Oh, well, if that the book there, never written for we. That book there, written to hold us down. So my time, I think they feed us.
Oh, we as we get to you.
Bring the book, come.
Fight.
It's, when I go into the force, they tell them to bring the book to me. And what I'm going to do to the book, I'm going to burn it down. I'm just light it and burn it and then do it back over. It needs to be right. Because certain things, when they go about, they go about it the wrong way. If you catch a Chinese, a fraud, something, they charge him. If you catch rat in the floor of the Chinese, you lock it down, you boom down the building flat. Never put back the next one. No more chin cham check that out. No.
Why you that boom down the building now?
Because it is infestation.
Pest control.
Oh, pest control.
Yeah. And then clean out the place.
Well.
No rat, no cockroach, and nothing can go in the building.
Well, if the owner now go like that, you think there's not a lot of pest control, them now go like that.
If you boom down the building now, necessary.
Listen, some of them building there really need to restructure and start back over from beginning. Too much hole in night. Too much hole in night. Listen, China have money. When them go down, if they want to build it back, then build it back. Because they have the money, can build it back. You understand? Then you go get more work for more youth. So now we got to think about crime and violence again because they go full of work. And not only that, the parts of them would not be right by the people, but let them up too. Anyone now to do, it could have been the Prime Minister.
So the politicians them now work.
Some of them not work. Some of them work, some not working, some not work, some work, some not work. But what I said though, too long have the country been going in a down in a gully situation. And the police then enforce it because by the book, the two books then join together. And the book wasn't written for the black man. The book wasn't written to make the black man's child. When the book was written, it was against the black man. So if the book was written against the black man, the book is still against the black man. So what if I mean? So
we are trying to say the man kill you.
They are pressuring. Alright, did you know the story of the brethren with the cliff tail? In Manchester Bay?
And a prisoner need.
Yeah. The man come out of prison and he said, that's why I don't like police, you know. And then bring him back inside and beat him till he's dead. And when them do the investigation, the same police them come do the investigation again. So they couldn't eat off of the floor in the prison. That means say, well, disinfectant down. With no evidence, I can't tell which one I was lick him, or which one kick him, or which one help him, I can't tell. So this is where we are now. That should never happen. If you catch a man with anything where you can make him, so make him go on, man.
True. Because one
make him go on with the skiff tail. Go on with the skiff tail and go on and work. So you gotta do good. Because work you go, you gotta do something good. You help the country. Too much roadblock for the black man. Somebody go better than that to make sense. Too much roadblock. You know what I mean? I mean this.
But the roadblock them.
No, I'm not talking about the roadblock. Like that out with the street with the traffic. I'm not talking traffic roadblock. I talk in a black people life, too much roadblock is there. So there's too much rigmarole. So if it was the bad, I would make the police focus on what the bad and make them can become good. Most people when they go get locked up, when they come back out, them better than when they ain't go. That means there's something wrong.
Something wrong with the system.
If I lock you up when you step back out of prison and go back in there and you're a better person, because I'm not going to be in a prison, just go sit down. But you're calling service work in there. What's that going to mean?
But not everybody want to work.
Listen
Some
to me.
people just bad.
No. If some people you have to deal with them rough for the right. You deal with them rough, them have to work because they have to work. You go work behind the bar because you go eat food, they want money. If you have picnic out there, what send money come get picnic too. So no violence in the prison. When the day done, you tell them backside, they're going to sleep. Because you work throughout the day. Every day you work. So make the prison them look bigger than me. So when it's done, we don't want no criminal.
But the prison, prison have to uncomfortable. Prison can't comfortable.
That's the mistake they make. You see, isolation alone is going to be uncomfortable. And the restriction of movements. Look how Jamaica, when there was curve it, and you can't move. Weren't it uncomfortable? You can't go nowhere.
But what
We picture if you make a lock in your community, you can't go to the community. Picture that.
Listen what I say now.
You have a woman, you can't see a woman.
If you do bad, you want to expect good. You can't do bad and expect good.
No.
If you do bad, you have to expect bad.
You do bad
So then
because you have
so
thought.
you put them in a bad place.
You put them in one bad situation. But that doesn't mean some more alright. So many times the system can get it wrong. So what about when you get it wrong and somebody face the consequence of bad? How do you justify that? If you lock up a man for murder when he never went there and split the place not all and him do it, but you charge him and then 40 years down the line, the man who do it confess. Who paid the price? Can you give back a man in 25 years? So you have to work within a regular rule. So if the prison center is never so harsh and you still get time to have a healthy mind, so when you come back out 25 years, you still have a business.
Lots of things in prison. You can sing. Enough things there if you're doing in prison.
You ever got prison yet?
No, but me know
But there's no but in my conversation. Don't tell me say that you never go there yet. Listen now. Yeah, I born in a prison and I fight to survive in prison because Jamaica is a prison. You think it's a paradise? It's a prison. I cannot go where I want to go. While they told my virgin them a swim go America. And the said police them stop the man before them give the man a lift. Two man them. I want them papers them shove upon them and swim go across the border. And them stop the man them. Why them assist them? But they go on with his life.
Assist them and them are doing job.
I never did FCC. You never did FCC. I want to run out there with the youth them. Push them across the border. But they swim and go find life for them youth. Understand the story, man.
But what they might go out there and dead. They might swim go out there and dead.
You might bring them back home to them dead. Right. You're gonna save their life when they come back home when they can't find food.
They're gonna look work.
When they gonna look work and not get the work. And the work where them a work not even make sense your work.
Them could have go over there and then they have to make it out either.
Give them chance and them make the choice to go. Don't stop them. Send them. You tell them what I think, you know. We don't want to talk too long because at first you meet the eye. Right? Yeah. But yeah, Rastafari color for your hat.
Yeah.
Them use Rastafari.
Rasta.
Alright. It's a good road. That uncle is a good Rasta. Alright. Can influence you fever with the color so you know say alright, respect. Rastafari burn down to the ground. When I say no differently now, I'll show you levels of life itself. You know what I mean? If each one, look out for each one, would have a better future. Right?
Black
people is against each other. Because it was written in the book, say we shall be against each other, we shall not unite. And them, all them story them make it sing around, this Jamaica no problem. Sing around so them come use us and abuse us, no problem. Kick in your face, no problem. Sell out the land, no problem. Sell out this, no problem. This is that saying there, no problem.
Yeah.
Mess us up. From that time, we are facing judgment seat now. So we have a new thing now. May I say bunny down. Until the whole island say bunny down. we will never get it better. Because everyone I think with them rights for black people,
Yeah.
we have to look into it again. And that is something because it makes no sense. If you're in one country and you cannot build a business for yourself and you cannot provide for your kids them and you can't provide for your girlfriend. So you don't have to know how to try to survive it. Picture if there was good opportunity up in the country. The country have natural resources that they're taking out and giving it overseas for free. So that's why.
They don't sell, then they export, then they sell.
What them we sell for $100? Then take a money on their counter and sell for $5. Who lose? Who lose? So the man will buy the things them cheap, flip back around and use the same things, make things come sell at Jamaica, but you buy for millions of dollars. Who lose?
You lose.
Who lose? So alright, so enough teaching for one day.
Alright.
Now go up on the road, go try and make a money. Alright?
Alright.
Alright.
Oh boy.
You know, say you carry a friend come here. Good and dandy, she dey hear and thing, but I tell her. Him boyfriend go near way out of house and land. Everything we buy, the man, you know everything. Buy one bread in your mouth and whole bread. Buy something that's not nice fridge. One of the drinks them gone. No conscience. Anyway, when you have to say yeah, that's why you go take them in, that's why you go. So, anyway, they go talk to him still. Come on, man.
I'm going to talk to your girl about you and tell the girl to talk to you.
Alright, so come on, I want you to look like they watch food and cost what food and remember what food, you know, but bye. Yard.
I mean, me there will be, you know.
Go
You
talk.
talk to him first.
Talk to him.
Alright.
No, what talk to you.
Yeah, girl. What we really someone want to talk to you about is, me and my boyfriend can't get no sleep at night time. You want to feel man over there, so boogie I got on the bed. Come on, man, we did done things so while we're in our room. No sex can't go on. And we are gonna go no space. If you want to have sex with a girl, my man want to do something tonight, you know. And we left her go on date night or dinner or something, make we have the room for yourself. And next thing now, your boyfriend can yam. Jesus Christ. Right now if me there food in yam me long time. You don't laugh. And I'm not saying enough for eating, but you see, you will control your brother, your belly. But
It's been a long for true, girl. Very, very long.
you see, if me buy one whole bread out there, in your mouth left only 2 bread back. That means I left one for me and one for my man.
Girl, me for laugh, girl, but me have to laugh because me know you're serious, but girl, you well active and you know, me know him very long. He ain't not for true, but you put in the work, girl, and the proper service, girl. You take out back. So, but sorry, my friend, but we try to work on that. If I ever come 50-50 when we get to work and chip in on the food and whatever, but girl, the man can put it down, so I understand why the man in the place. I'm really, really sorry. Really sorry about it.
Down the place, they even bother me and my boyfriend, he kind of bother because when he buy things and put it on, he like to come back and see it. But that's not my problem. My problem when me have, I can't get no sleep at night time.
I'm really sorry about the disturbance.
My boyfriend, him sleep dead, you know. So I touch me, I touch him, you know. If he wake up, you know, if he kind of safe, he can tell him, say, calm it down. Him knock out. Notice if I only there, we don't do nothing.
Because I'm too busy, I get my little touch up me now. I have no time for notice. But I'm really, really sorry about the disturbance on a serious note though. Sorry about that.
Well, I just want to me talk to you about it. And you understand. Same.
I'm sorry again.
I understand. But I don't really have no problem. So I'm going to see if I go talk to my boyfriend about it and so we can work out. Because I didn't tell us I put up sitting crosses, but if I put up sitting crosses, so then I still have got there.
Myself, girl, when things them take me.
No, man, but you know, if my friend in our room now, you know, if me in our room now, we over here saw the things now. Now if you try and suck in my advice, you know, really hard. If you try and suck in,
I understand, girl, it's hard, everything hard, so.
well, it's nice to see that you're happy, but tone it down.
Okay, man.
Okay?
I'll
Tone
do
it
my
down.
best.
Because my boyfriend has no problem. You need to tone it down. And please tell a boyfriend. Please, my bigger.
I will try my best. And thanks for having this talk with me, friend. I know you understand and I work on it for sure, because the personal space is very important.
Yeah.
Alright, my baby. Glad we had this talk.
Yeah, me have all our fresh stuff.
Alright,
So
let me get myself started. Go and mess up yourself now.
Go on, big man. How do you
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Then I give you a man, I go on with the talk. But you know, I realize being at the place I know one. Not human being, so human being go do what human being do. So, you know, I'm not too good for the talking still. So, anyway, my life is linked for you, man. Because I know some people need no privacy. You can't do what you want to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so I'm linked phone. So, tomorrow you hear what I go and still.
Kind of it's like, what a rule like.
Yeah, let's try to talk to me, so let's talk to something. But I'm not saying it here and with us until it happens. But you're good though.
Yeah, man, I have to go on with the rest, you know?
Yeah, man. Then go run a boat, because for they all of the food in that place, don't open up a particular guy, so right in that place, I eat the food, right? Yeah, man. So we buy some snack and things. So they go cook some food and all that. That's what we see what I want, right?
Alright, I'm there.
Ah. Alright. Where's the problem now? Can you say you have a burning issue? I know some sleep dead some time. If you see your elbow, I tell me say, them a drink. Them a drink to sleep on bed?
Of course, we can't even get no proper sleep and every time. I hear some liquor sound, you know, say, me easy for wake, so once me hear one liquor sound, I go wake up.
Oh yeah, like.
I don't have sex now.
Like what girl sound like?
We don't want to know what a girl sound like for.
Yeah, to that wake me up properly, come here just a bounce me some in on
But for you're supposed, if you sleep too dead man, for me go so, you're supposed to get up, supposed to sit there wrong with me.
Alright, it's alright.
And when me hear they talk to them today, if you have no sex in a room and so on. But why? Come like every night that the man they want it. Because almost every night me I hear sound. You can't sleep.
But your friend, you can't pull her one side until I have to lock it up. You can't tell her put a lock on her shop.
I tell her that from the beginning so then can't go to have more sex or else I have to go pull one scream.
I don't say it don't work.
I don't know, she said she go up on the road and her boyfriend to go up on the road in a day, yeah. Go look about the work and it's supposed, if you don't get it today, it's supposed to go
I
tomorrow.
don't want that. We have 2 extra motor fees. We don't want the third one, you know. We don't want to go breed or in there, you know.
Come on, what me I say now?
Any breeding if you go on in there and me if you are breed in here. Alright, anyway. Now I'm going on the barrel. Alright, we're going on. So we're going on now. Since I come to your attention, the landlord soon forward come to give them a money, right? So around with them transaction, but we know say money night, so I want to show them pan this year, come get the receipt from the bank. She come in there? Yes, so I can show them say money in the account, I date the pan everything. So that will work out. So when she come now, I talk to her how much she want for the back room. So we can get back room too, give them back room to stay. The back room
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
And they so they can start out their own job and finance their own self and this stuff.
Alright, so what I want you to do for me today though, I want you to go down Sablama tax office and ask them, can I file go down there and check how much money we owe for how much seatbelt ticket we want.
So how you get seatbelt ticket?
A couple of times up on the road man and them just target me. So I want to pay every ticket them. I don't like too much in a courthouse or something, right? So let's check out that for me today. So then when I come down now, I can go somewhere, go chill out. Alright?
Yeah, because I know tonight in, I just say I'll get it because tonight more look for space.
Yeah man, more get it. Yeah.
And I'm a friend, you know, me can't hurt her feelings like that and she ever feel a way to go take them. And I don't say it already to her, but you know, not that she has to start. Or she can't say no to the boy or something.
Well, we go try our best.
Alright, we go try.
So we having the phone, so you're on a touch.
No, I just let me see my bank statement. That's how we have the things up online banking. Online banking is a must. Alright, so if you fix up your papers, then for the certain things too, but you move to slow with that. Alright.
I'm going to go do it. I'm going to pay.
What's that? You're going to go live long, you know? The landlord's going to come there. Every time I come and put up in your face, like you roll a tumble on funny.
I don't know what it is. I did, you know, I think come in a car, you know, I don't know if I did shot, but something bigger wrong the day and you come out with your face puff up like you're ready to jump in my face.
I think you're a man problem. Me here from the grapevine, come as a taxi man, you know. I run taxi me here. Man, you can't keep man. Every time you have a man on next year to kill.
Last time.
And in man.
I didn't sit down and really sit down and chat in a taxi.
Why? Oh, no, me attack.
Oh.
People attack you, I'm just a list of attack. Evil here now, evil.
Good day.
Come on. Oh, you think I'm going to say there about because I can hear you.
You must know where I come from now.
Alright, what me I say now? The money pay in my account and I have a problem, I'm going to the bank. I'm going to start online banking. So I can show you the transition. There is it.
So why you didn't call me and tell me?
Because I didn't want you to come to see it. I cannot show it over the phone to you.
Send it through WhatsApp, but I can't see it. See and where.
Alright, so you're there now. The thing say I want the back room for rent too. How much you give me the back room for?
Would I give for 130 grand a month?
No, go better than that. Do better than that, man. Long time.
Alright, 25.
20 man.
25.
20.
That I final for me. 25. Yeah,
You can't just say 20 and just
All
one
right.
bed in there.
We go take if you 25.
One just sign it too.
We not pay no
that's all.
something. We not pay
You
no
use
first and last.
bathroom, you use light, you use...
No, no.
Ah, you may say,
So
you
we
may say.
pay we are one line with the one line.
We go. We not pay the first and last.
Want me give a month free then?
Yeah, same thing. I said to the work.
But more at 25 me I give.
Ah, 25. But no, we not pay the first and last. Alright, let's go. What did this? Someone send the money to you. Just make it a key.
Alright.
Me come.
Whenever, yeah, you can come.
Yeah, me drive come.
Alright, look on.
Alright. You know, stay safe with me, like Victoria's Bank.
No, me can't go, you send me here.
Alright, so organize up and we go get the key for them before you get the key. Go on, we'll get the key for now.
Alright.
I'll come back right now. Sweet key and your back home, so put them, put something and run them. Alright?
Oi, what? Well, I have some. Come sit down here, so. I have some great news for you guys. We're not in one room anymore because my boyfriend rent the back room to own.
Oh my
So
God.
we don't own it, we can do what we want.
So we are going to pay our...
Him already paid it.
Oh, no, we pay for it.
Yes, until I get a job.
That's good.
That sounds great. That's
Thank
good
you
news,
very,
eh?
very much.
Yes, come and go show in your room.
God, thank you guys so much. Oh
Thank you.
God, babe.
It's okay.
No,
man.
I have to give you a hug. We're happy. Oh God, we're great.
It's okay, man.
Boy.
Sorry, we're here, so we're not go there.
Oh. Oh, boy.
Alright, so see you around here. We have bed, dresser.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. We're not come right, so thank you
And
guys.
then
Thank
we
you
have
very,
a own
very much.
bathroom.
Thank you guys very, very much.
Everything good, man. And I'm really thanking my boyfriend.
Oh,
Yeah,
God,
me
no,
already hear
God,
him
babe.
fully.
So only can get my stuff in my
God,
car.
oh God, only
Yeah,
God.
boy.
You look nice.
Oh, God, now that's
I don't know if I'm gonna get sick in here. Only can
Yeah.
boy.
Yeah, we go for the stuff and bring them over. Oh my God.
Trisha.
We don't get addicted. Active. A chat.
And then sitting around, that's why them put you out in another room. Yeah.
That's too much to cook. My baby, my hair was going to night time.
Yeah, like it broke leg.
You know.
Like what take time and night time.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, go get it. But you come think of it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, me have to step up there now. I tell you the honest truth.
We have to step up the truth, babe.
Yeah, because me need to go get to work. Me need because you see crime rate a go up here now. And enough people they want police like nothing now.
And you
So-
definitely fit the description.
Yeah,
Man,
so-
just tall, dark, and handsome, and protective. You
So now
definitely fit.
I'm going in town.
Mm-hmm.
I'm go down there see me can get have an application over there.
I feel like you'll get it, babe. You
Yeah, see how
definitely
going
fit it.
over it. So we need to do it because with this run and stuff, we can meet them with the bills. half,
Yeah,
so
and you know your
sometimes,
girl can look here and something.
Yeah.
So me have to drop off some applications too.
So we have for us help them out because they really help you a lot to give you the room and anybody that go do this.
Oh God,
Just
oh
give
God. We have to go
one
give them
room,
a
so-
special thank you. We
Yeah.
have to plan something for them. I don't know, but we have to thank
Yeah,
them.
so you have no money for you can you like 150 just to pay me for your bill.
Yeah, babe, it's in the purse in the other room. I didn't bring out
Oh,
all
you
the
didn't
stuff,
bring
but
it?
I'll get it. I'll get it and come back. But then you have to meet them at least halfway, then 50-50. So me and
Yeah,
work
man.
combine and then I
Yeah.
help you out. You know, it will make the home more
You
calm
can't
when
start
everybody
safe
else.
to get to
Yeah.
the place.
Oh God.
One more. So
Because this is just a stepping stone for us.
it's a
God
big
bless
step
you.
for you.
Oh God, man, look how that go through, babe. Jesus, come give me
And
hugs.
nothing to
Give me
some.
hugs. But no, you'll get the work. Just
I
trust.
get through.
God only can
My
get
head
through,
pocket
baby.
now get through.
Mm-hmm.
So
Chosen.
Kelly, what?
I see her on your skin out calm bed and I really relax. Girl, go up on the road and come back. I'm going to stop and come back. I do something for my boyfriend.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh God.
So, running and comfortable and things are good around here.
Girl, I don't want to rock your bed because, girl, hey, I'm not even going to say. But
And now I
girl,
say, you say you're a cougar for a long time.
girl, I'm not like to thank you. No, and seriously, Ali, I really, really thank you, girl. I go through a rough patch. Are you there for me? Girl, you're not even taking just me, you're taking my man. Girl, nobody else now do that.
Bro, me I come from far.
For
Childhood days. So, you know, some friend of me just meet the other day, they only want me to use me. You understand? Enough of them. Me you never yet use me. If me
God,
in a
girl.
problem, me can run come a your yard.
said we
Just like how if you in a problem, no, you run come a my yard.
no, on a serious note, I'm really, really grateful. I'm
Yeah,
girl,
man.
me have to tell my man that I'm really, really grateful. Even fire him say one thank you, girl. I'm really, and we try our best to see if we can go to Bamson, balance out some work, so we can, you know, the 50 at least put something together and balance out until we can move forward and get one look place. But we're really, really grateful, and thank you so much. Oh God,
No,
friend,
I
give me a
mention
hug.
it.
Oh God.
Oh my
Girl, I'm
God,
up there more. I'm maybe on one time. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I've been
bestie.
saying, oh, no, but that Papa Brother can't know how no time. Me know how all the time you see that.
Girl, I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna get into some things. I'm gonna get into some things, baby. Girl, I'm sexy, you know?
Yeah.
Girl, take off. Girl, say, girl, put on the head. Girl, happy.
Yeah, because
Because
I
I
don't
work
come
now.
here and see a manga. You know, manga. And I probably lose a few pounds because my maybe have a little bit more belly.
Yeah.
But you could know.
Oh,
But they say if you stay and me want to lose some of this now.
Yeah, that's again.
Alright, you see, fact that I'm still now walking and walk and down because he don't want me work, you
Girl,
know.
your man's sweaty.
So, that's their problem.
Oh, I love you, girl. I'm a good man. Hold on to your man, girl.
And I'll let him go.
Hold on. Don't let go your man, girl. Hold on to your man. I feel your man.
Me I can't go before I get late. So
Yes,
later.
yes,
When me come in, may I talk here?
Yeah, you're running. Jesus. What bestie? Hi here. Hi here. How you doing?
You just come back from half. Oh, I think
Think of what?
Alia come. What if I should come?
What, Alia?
Oh, go on.
Well, is it on the side of you? How are you doing? What? How are you doing?
I'm shocked.
You shocked?
What's going on though?
I'm here, admiring you.
I know a good time though. You see, if it was when I was younger, I would jump for the opportunity.
That's Alia. Don't answer. It's our time now.
Nothing answer.
You're sleeping, aren't you?
We're sleeping. Never go pick her up. But we can't do it though. We can't do it.
It will happen. I'm not giving up. I got my eye on you.
Yeah, what's up? We're gonna pick you up now. May I come pick you up now? Alright. Alright. Can't do it though. Gosh, can't do it though. Alright. Alright. You see, if circumstances are different with that deal, you have my woman best friend at that, you know what I mean?
But she not have to know fire. Stop going so
No,
much.
but me just promise myself so I'll be faithful, and that me know you want to do. It's attractive and everything. I tell you, I'd really love to give you the way you get.
No, you're not gonna be faithful.
I have to be
It's
faithful.
gonna happen.
I have to be faithful. Though.
I'm gonna be patient with you, but not too patient though. I like you a lot.
Yeah,
And I'm so grateful for what you've done for me in my life.
yeah, man, not to ask about it, man. Not ask about it. The good though, yeah?
Keep fire.
Alright.
I'm on to you.
Alright. Gonna ask for the thing there. See it there? Live and direct. You know what I mean? So the donation is still needed. But you must start work on it. But give thanks to the donator them who donate and bring it thus far. You know what I mean? Without only possible. I don't want to sell, but I don't want the name call out. You know what I mean? So this is it. Take what it takes. Big up MP3 from the beginning. You know what I mean? Go over to our channel. Show her the love and the support, same speech. You get 100k, you know? No 100, 1,000. But we should get 100. Go. You know what I mean? Let's go. So we're there, go and put in some work as usual. So this is a prison and it's well needed. I have a new show where we have build phone, watch and thing, and need the prison scene. So if I done the prison today, we are shooting it tomorrow. So the studio is well needed still because more content. Apart from that still, I want to go over to my TikTok page. You go up on the screen here, right? You go over people in a TikTok world. Come on, we're in a TikTok world so we can participate in the game then. And I have something come up for Christmas for everybody same speed. You know what I mean? Not for everybody, but for who want to participate. You know what I mean? Jungle Wood, game and fun. You know what I mean? So we go have some fun, play some game, give back. You know what I mean? So I go. Give and take. You know things. You know what I mean? Give and take. Yo, step on one side first. You hear me?